Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove the Dropbox folder icon from your file explorer. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that this right here is the application for Dropbox, that is for desktop. And right here, the Dropbox icon is being shown in my file explorer. Let's say I want to remove it. Well, here's how you can do it. The only valid option that I found was simply uninstalling the app. Let's simply uninstall it right now. I'm gonna uninstall it right now from my control panel. I'm gonna double click and hit on yes. Now once I simply hit on uninstall, the folder icon will be removed from the file explorer. And guys, that's about it. That's the only way to remove the Dropbox from your file explorer. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.